Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Atlantic Blue Volkswagen Golf TDI. Now of course you do get LED daytime running lights on this car. You also get front parking sensors. You then get these diamond cut alloy wheels, of which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do get. Now of course these are a 16-inch alloy wheel, but walking round to the rear now, you've got your rear parking sensors. You've then of course got LED tail lights. Into the tailgate you've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You then pull the boot floor back and it will then slide into the lower position just so you can store any taller objects. Then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points to the bottom. You've got electric windows all round. You then come into the front and we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your drive mode just here, of which you can choose between eco, normal, sports and individual. While we're all up on this display, we've got your various radio sources. We've got your various media sources. We've then got satellite navigation. We've got your App Connect, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And then coming over to the steering wheel now, just one moment. Pull the steering wheel round. As you can see, on the left hand side we have your cruise control settings with your volume just below. We've then got your onboard computer controls with your voice assistant and track select on the right hand side. You've then, as you can see, this car has done 85,627 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Volkswagen Golf, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.